The burden of debt has become an increasingly pressing concern for many, many Americans. With the rising rate of debt across the nation, it's crucial to explore effective strategies that can help you alleviate some of that stress or pressure. What's your goal? I think first, just kind of start there. Do a quick list of what kind of debt that you have, because not all debt is created equal. So is it credit card debt? Is it a car loan debt? Is it student loan debt? Is it collections or medical bills? Kind of get all of those lined up and then write down the interest rate and the payment of what you're paying for each one of those debt categories. This is key because right now there's so much hoopla out there about home loan rates, being, let's just say in the 7s on average right now. Well, based on all of the Federal Reserve's increases to the Fed funds rate over the last 2 years, average credit card rates are 24%. And if you're paying the minimum payment on those credit cards, that balance is never going to go anywhere. So really just first identifying the type of debt that you have, that's going to help you start to figure out, okay, where are you going to focus? And then here are a few strategies that you may be able to tap into to really start to snowball that debt and get it down. One strategy is, especially on credit card debt, is to identify the interest rate and then potentially transfer it to another credit card that has a lower rate, but continue to pay the higher payment. So now you're starting to pay towards the principal. If you're looking to buy a home and you currently own a home, one of the most common strategies that we talk about today is either accessing the equity of your home with a home equity line of credit or maybe a cash out refinance, and then use that access of those funds to be able to pay off or pay down or restructure the debt that you have. Another option is maybe you're going to sell your home. And let's say that you're going to sell your home and maybe you're going to net $300,000 because you bought it at the great time. You've had this big run up of equity. Another consideration is to take a portion of those proceeds and pay towards your debt and not put it all down on the new house. You would be shocked at the cash flow that creates by paying off debt versus putting all that money down on a new mortgage if you are selling. So some things to think about there. I think that, debt's one of those things that we're like, ooh, nobody wants to talk about. The reality is there's debt out there. And it's okay, but it's okay. Get a plan, get your arms around it. Just pretending like it doesn't exist, it's not going to go anywhere, and it's probably just going to grow. If you're a homeowner or you want to buy a house and you need a little financial guidance or want to run through some scenarios specific to you, click the link below and schedule your personalized consultation with a Kelly Zitlow mortgage advisor. And together, let's build a plan that works for you. You have options and we can assist you with those. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more mortgage, education, and credit information.